Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about transcription, how to absolutely crush it, and how to make sure you're getting the absolute best results possible, whether you're just starting out or you've been doing this for a while. Now, I know what you're thinking. Transcription, how exciting can it be? But honestly, this is a skill that can be insanely valuable. Think about it. Content is king, and being able to transcribe accurately opens up a world of possibilities. Podcasts, interviews, meetings. You name it, you can turn it into text and make it accessible to anyone. So whether you're trying to up your freelance game, boost your productivity at work, or simply want to get better at understanding spoken language, these tips are going to be absolute game changers. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the most fundamental part of transcription listening. It seems obvious, but trust me, there's a huge difference between just hearing something and actively listening to it. When you're transcribing, every single word matters. You need to be laser focused on the audio, picking up on every and stutter. Don't be afraid to hit that replay button. In fact, I encourage it. It's way better to take an extra second to double check a word or phrase than to have to go back and correct a mistake later. Plus, the more you practice active listening, the better you'll become at deciphering even the most mumbled sentences. Remember, guys, details matter. This isn't just about typing what you hear, it's about capturing the essence of the audio and translating it into accurate, readable text. One of the biggest challenges in transcription is dealing with different accents. Let's face it, the English language is a beautiful mess of regional variations and dialects, and what sounds crystal clear to one person might sound like a completely different language to someone else. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. Expose yourself to as many different accents as possible. Listen to podcasts, watch interviews, or even just strike up conversations with people from different backgrounds. The more you listen, the more your ear will adjust to the nuances of different accents, and the easier it will be to transcribe them accurately. It's like learning a new language, but instead of memorizing vocabulary, you're training your ear to recognize different pronunciations. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer for your transcription skills. Chapter 3, Timestamps and Speaker Tags, your transcription BFFs. All right, let's talk about organization. Imagine reading a transcript that's just a giant wall of text, no timestamps, no speaker identification, just pure unadulterated words. Sounds like a nightmare, right? That's why using timestamps and speaker tags correctly is absolutely essential. Timestamps tell the reader exactly when something is said, which is super helpful for finding specific moments in the audio. And speaker tags, they let you know who's talking, which is crucial for keeping track of conversations, especially if there are multiple speakers. Think of it like this. Timestamps and speaker tags are the punctuation marks of your transcript. They might seem small, but they make a world of difference in terms of clarity and readability. Chapter 4, Free Practice. Yes, please, online audio samples. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, this is all great, but how am I supposed to practice without real-world experience? And you know what? You're right. Practicing is key, and luckily there are tons of free resources available online. We're talking about websites with literally thousands of audio samples just begging to be transcribed. You can find everything from speeches and lectures to interviews and conversations, and the best part, they often come with transcripts already made, so you can check your work and track your progress. It's like having a personal transcription trainer at your fingertips 24/7. Take advantage of these resources, put in the practice, and watch your skills skyrocket. Chapter 5. Type like the wind. Boost your speed and accuracy. Let's be real, transcription is all about speed and accuracy. The faster you can type, the more efficient you'll be and the more work you can take on. Now, I'm not saying you need to be the next world record holder in typing, although that would be pretty cool, but improving your typing speed can make a huge difference. Luckily, there are tons of free typing tests and exercises available online. Make it a habit to practice for a few minutes each day, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your fingers start flying across the keyboard. Outro, level up your transcription game. So there you have it, my top tips for boosting your transcription accuracy and taking your skills to the next level. Remember, transcription is a valuable skill, and with a little bit of practice and dedication, anyone can master it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which tip you found most helpful. Now go out there, transcribe like a pro, and I'll see you in the next video.